Good morning, good morning, good morning people. Katatapos ko lang mag-makeup. Basa pa siya, tingnan kasi nag-spray ako. Sila nakabihis na. Looks really nice. Yan yung binili namin sa, Esplanade Mall kahapon. Alright, babe, let me do it, babe. What's that you're eating? Chocolate? From CC?
Good chocolate.
Is it good? White chocolate? Nah, I'm good thinking. Ito yung, guys, 200, was it 250 baht? 250 baht. Hindi namin natawad nun. Wala kaming luck sa pagtawad kagabi. Walang tawad-tawad. Should we do 2 or 1? Let's see.
Oh, do.
2?
Yeah.
Let's compare. This is 1. Let me look. Yeah. Mag-ano kami guys, shopping kami ngayon. Punta kami sa Siam Paragon. Yung social na shopping. Kaya ganyan suot niya. Polo pa more. I-ano ko to, i-Hollywood tape ko to para ma-tape siya dito ba para hindi. Wait, asa na yun? Walang gunting guys, so gamit namin pag-cut nail cutter. Cut lang siya ng konti. Slice. Ito yung Hollywood tape na naman ha. Guys, tingnan nyo yung bag ni Miss. Nasira. Ito yung nabili ko sa Chat-to-Chat guys. Sira na siya, oh. Nakakatakot ba? Bigat kasi ng mga dala niya. Yung akin, hindi naman. Papagamit ko sa kanya yung Ito. Zaffo. Crossbody din siya. Yung Hollywood tape, hindi nagsistick sa kanya. Sa akin, nagsistick naman.
Dito sa pikas.
Nagsistick naman yung akin. Ito, oh, tinape ko, guys. Dito sa gilid, tinape ko siya sa bra ko. Para hindi siya open. Kasi yung bra ko, hindi black. Nude. So, yun. Okay naman yung Though, hindi naman siya sa skin ko nakastick. Pero nung tinry ko siya sa skin ko, nagsistick naman siya. So, hindi ko alam kay Miss. Anyway, siguro depende lang talaga sa katawan mo. Kung oily ang katawan mo. Hindi ko alam, guys. Anyway, ganda ng outfit ni Dan. Are you wearing shoes, babe, or just thongs?
Just phones today.
Yep, okay. You ready? Gutom na ako. It's already 12 pala. Wala pa kaming kain. Hindi kami nag-breakfast sa taas, guys, yung buffet. Kasi late kami nagising. And sabi ni Dan, let's try something different din today. So, we will go to Siam Paragon, yung mall na social. Char. Tapos doon na lang kami magbe-breakfast. Doon kami maghahanap ng breakfast. You got the key, babe?
I got a key.
Okay. Alo, kabangga ka sa kamera. Dito kami sa Terminal 21, guys. Bilhin lang namin yung yung sobrang haba ng pila. Was it the ground floor? Yung sobrang haba ng pila na dessert. Gusto kong bilhin yun, guys, kasi sobrang daming tao. Tapos yung yung nasa sign doon sabi 1 box per customer only. So sobrang daming bumibili ba na hindi nila ino-wholesale. Ino-wholesale, ano yun? Ito yun, guys. Pikachu. Yan yung pangalan niya. Pikachu. Sobrang daming tao dito, guys. Ngayon nga, maaga ha. Hindi naman maaga, pero noon. Daming tao. Every time na dumadaan kami dito, ang daming tao. So, they have vanilla and triple cheese. What do you want?
How many you get?
Contains fresh siya, guys. Kasi dito talaga nila ginagawa, si ate nagre-refill ng filling. Tapos yung ate doon nag-ano ng mga bread. Dito kami sa Starbucks, guys. And tingnan nyo to. Sabi ko Daniel yung pangalan. And ganito yung pagkasulat ng Daniel nila, guys. Ganda, diba? Ganda naman nila magsulat. Yung kay Miss is green tea and espresso fusion. Yung sa amin ni Dan, coffee frappuccino. Akala ko yung frappuccino merong cream, pero wala. And ito yung nabili namin, guys, sa Pikachu. So we ordered 1 vanilla and then 2 triple cheese. So yung vanilla 40 baht, yung triple cheese 55 baht. Which one do you want to try? Triple cheese?
Yeah.
Okay, go get triple cheese. Triple cheese is that one and that one. Ito yung triple cheese, guys. Do you like it?
I'm gonna say it's that bit. Look at
Yum! Guys, masarap yung triple cheese. Miss, masarap. I know, right? Try natin yung vanilla. Triple cheese is better. I'll give you some and then leave you some, please.
Yeah. I am vlogging you, my love.
It's the same as Kathy, I think. But I have two. Can you hold that for me, please? Dito na kami sa Siam Station, guys. Ay, hala, miss! Snail White! Miss Tin, tapos Snail White. Baka nandun yung ano, soap. Tingnan natin kung magkano yung soap. Meron silang sarili talaga, guys. Oh! Ay, na-adyo na diri, miss. I-slide siya. Wala dun yung sabon, guys. Punta na lang kami sa Siam Paragon. Char! Here we go. Siam Paragon. Dito yung Prada, guys. And then, andun yung Chanel. Let's go to Chanel. And then, may Louis Vuitton. Right next to Chanel is Louis Vuitton. Guys, first time ko pumasok sa mga ganito kasi hindi pa ako nakapasok. Kasi natatakot ako. Nahihiya ako pumasok. Baka tingnan ka nila from head to toe at sabihin, wala kang pera. Umalis ka. Aftershave, Chanel. Itatry niya. Ay, iba din siya, guys. Meron siyang mga technique. Magsispray lang siya ng mga perfume. Tapos aalis. Dito kami sa Tory Burch, guys. Nice bitaw na. Is it comfy? I like the color. Gusto ko yung mga sandals nila. Hindi ko pa kasi ito nakita sa personal. Pero ito sikat tong mga ganito. Pero gusto ang ganito. Yung hindi ganun ka pop of color. Yung yellow sana, miss. Meron silang yellow niyan, pero wala dito. Ito din maganda. How much yan? 11,500. Tapos ito, guys, maganda din to. Sobrang ano, miss. Iso ko daw, miss. Yung ano ko kasi, sandal ko, ano, ganyan. Inuna muna namin yung Tory Burch, Michael Kors. Maya na tayo sa luxury, guys. ano muna natin. Pero in fairness dito, hindi ka mahihiyang pumasok, no? Kasi hindi sila intimidating yung mga sales lady. Hindi kasi sa sa ibang bansa, over din. Nakaka-intimidate. Kaya hindi ako pumapasok doon. Uy, maganda to, Miss Crossbody. Kate Spade, guys.
I know the design.
Crossbody.
The design of Kate Spade is much better than Michael Kors. If you wanna buy that.
Ito, nice, Guys, Chanel. They have a cute bag. So,
That's right.
Let's go to Louis Vuitton first. Let's go to Louis Vuitton first. Maybe they will have my push-up with these. Or if not, they have some crossbody bag. That's the one. Is it push-up with these? I don't know. Wrong bag. Excuse me, no video, please.
No video?
Yes, lang skinis. That's it. Is it too big?
It's up to you, babe. Is it going to be like an everyday purse or?
Yeah.
Okay. Every day is probably going to be a bit bigger. So, but it's up to you.
That one is smaller. It's like a card holder, isn't it? Which one? Yes. And then this one as well. Card holder. Yeah. Oh, okay. Ah, you don't have a black. And this one, no black?
Chocolate color.
But it's cute actually. 27.
Ang mahal dito guys, kinonvert namin, mas mura sa Australia. Yung pochette kirigami ba yun, miss? Na parang tatlo na siya, parang set siya ng tatlong parang wallet, coin purse, at saka clutch. It turns out to be yung mga 1,000 plus kung i-convert sa Australian dollars kahit na may 5% discount ka. Sa Australia, kapag binili mo siya online, 900 plus lang siya guys. So, mas mura dun. Yung gagawin na lang natin is tingin-tingin tayo and kung may magustuhan, i-convert. Kung mas mura dun, dun na lang bibilhin kung as in gustong-gusto mo talaga. Givenchy, babe. Ayoko niyan. Gusto ko hanapin yung Gucci. So, where should we go? Guys, Fendi, Dior. Oh, guys, nice kayo. Nice kayo ang aesthetic ni Dior. I'm not gonna go into Dior. Ato ta sa Gucci, guys. Hanang red nga sign. Gucci ba na? Wait, di ko makita. Yeah, Gucci. That's Gucci. The red sign. Let's go there. Ay, busy ang Gucci.
Too long. You can't adjust it?
That's the house.
Okay.
Top right. Other.
Nandito pa rin kami guys sa Siam Paragon. Wala akong nagustuhan guys sa mga bags na tiningnan ko. Yung pochette métis na sobrang gusto ko sana. Malaki siya sa akin, so tinry ko siya. Malaki siya. Siguro kasi sobrang gustong ko siya kasi alam ko na na-adjust yung strap and most sa mga bags. Kaya ang hirap kong makahanap ng gusto ko kasi hindi na-adjust yung strap. Ang haba nila sa akin. So, marami akong mga tinry. Hindi kasi pwede mag-film sa loob. Marami akong mga tinry and mahaba talaga sila, guys. Merong maganda dun sa Louis Vuitton na mas maliit na version ng pochette métis. Kaya lang, hindi naman na-adjust yung strap. So, ewan ko, Tapos yung mga wallet din, parang pag nakikita ko siya online, ang ganda-ganda. Pero sa personal, hindi ganun kaganda. Ewan ko ba, Punta kami sa Zara Home. Ito yung mga bet ni Dan. Diyan. Let's go. Hala, babe. This looks really cute. It's a candle.
Nice.
Ala. Ang cute. 1,090 baht? How much is that? 40 bucks.
Malang.
Hi, Malang. Drive. Wala na lang akong gustuhan ko.
I don't have shoes.
Babe, what did you say earlier?
I said, I love you.
Oh, what did you say?
Vlog for more.
Vlog pa more. Vlog pa more. Binigyan niya sa akin yung camera, tapos sabi niya, babe, vlog pa more, babe. Vlog pa more. Excuse me po. Tapos na kami guys sa, Siam. And, wala akong nabili. Walay. So, punta kami, Platinum Mall. Doon may mabibili tayo. Hindi namin natapos yun Where's the BTS? Asa na tayo, babe? MBK na MBK dito. Wait. It should be somewhere here. Naala na. Guys, look. Go stand right next to it. That is so that is so good. Oh my gosh. Ang laki, guys. Grabe.
It's like a special occasion.
Yeah, special occasion. Like your birthday? Tingnan nyo to, guys. That big one, yung pink, 3,000 baht. So, mga $120.
Oh, 20.
120? I said $120. Actually, it's not bad for that big.
Like a
That
special
will feed
occasion.
you. Yeah. Here, I'll take a picture of you right next to it. Dito kami, guys, sa Teppanyaki Special Seafood. Ay basta Teppanyaki man siguro pangalan nito, guys. Magluluto si Kuya sa harap mo. Yung niluluto niya, hindi pa amin yan. Kami na yung sunod, guys. Medyo kanina pa kami naghihintay dito. Yan yung amin. Lulutuin ni Kuya. Nagluto na siya ng maraming garlic. Yan kay Miss yan. Just the sliced beef. Yeah. Guys, ito na yung akin. Liit. Tapos merong sauce. Kain. Sila, wala pa sila. Niluluto pa ni Kuya. Hingi ako ng ano, pulugan.
Thank you.
Dito sa Food Republic, guys, same lang siya nung Pier 21 na kailangan card yung gamitin. So, nagpaano si Dan, nagpalagay siya ng 1,000 baht sa card niya. And yung nabayaran namin dun lahat sa amin tatlo, 910. So, meron siyang 90 na tira. And because hindi na kami babalik dito, isa sa uli sa kanya yung pera. There you go, my love. Okay, asa na si Miss? You match with that. You match. Your outfit match. Naghanap kami ng toilet.
She's gonna go right.
Right daw, Miss? Oh no, that's ATM, babe. Social kailan toilet, guys. Yan yung sa men's, yan yung sa women. And pumasok kami ni Miss dito sa men's. Pinalabas kami ni Kuya. Amin ni ate. Sabi niya, hoy, kabila kayo. Basta ka dyan, babe. Okay?
Cool toilets.
So, yung gagawin una, guys, is mag-select ng fare, 16, and then insert coin. Bana!
That's it. We're good.
And then, lalabas ito yung ticket. Sorry. 16 baht lang kasi ano lang kami. This way, babe! Isang stop lang kami, guys, pabalik. Pabalik, shitlom kami, shitlom. Pasok mo dyan, kuha dyan, labas. Ganern. Guys, nandito kami sa Platinum Mall. Kanina pa kami actually dito, malapit na kami matapos. Wala akong nabili. Ay, meron pala sa Watson's, pero walang damit. Nandito kami sa mga yan, sabon. Gusto ni Miss bumili na sabon. Meron silang bentang angkong.
Si Angko, si Auntie.
Nakabalik na kami sa hotel, guys. Nakakapagod. Magdamag kaming naglakad. As in, kung hindi man naglalakad, nakatayo lang. Kasi shopping, tapos BTS. BTS yung pangalan ng station nila. So, I think that's train station, Bangkok train station or Bangkok train system. We went crazy sa Watsons, guys. Kasi meron silang deal na buy one, get the next one for 1 baht. See? So, parang ano lang, buy one, take one siya, guys. Hindi ko papakita yung mga nabili ko kasi I will do a massive haul. Pero, yeah. We got stuff from Watsons and then bumili din ako ng more soaps, yung nabili namin sa Chatuchak. Mas mura talaga sa Chatuchak kasi yung mga sabon, ano siya guys, 4 for 100 baht. Dun sa mall or sa, kung hindi siya sa Chatuchak, it's either, yung pinakamura na hanap namin outside of Chatuchak is yung kanina, dun sa Platinum Mall. It was 3 for 100 baht. Sa MBK, umabot ng 100 baht isa. Over sila ate. So, yeah. Kung naghanap kayo ng mga sabon, guys, wag sa MBK. Or like, you know, try to haggle na at least, 3 for 100 baht. Yeah. May mga nabili akong exciting. Anyway. Kasi ang laki pa ng allowance namin ng luggage namin. Sobrang laki pa ng allowance kasi wala akong masyadong nabili. Yung plano sana today is bibili sana ako ng wallet, guys, na luxury wallet or designer wallet. Kaya lang wala akong nagustuhan. So, wala. Magpapamassage kami, guys, kasi last full day namin today. Kasi bukas alis na kami. So, magpapamassage kami. And, yun, magpapamassage. Tapos, we will have dinner somewhere. Guys, tapos na kami magpamassage. Oily na naman ako kasi nakakatapos namin magpamassage. Ano guys, kakain kami dito sa Love Scene Thai food. Yan, Love Scene. And meron silang guys, San Miguel beer. So, mag-order si Danon. And then he wants to order pad thai as well. Tapos kanina, pabalik dito, nakakita kami ng nagbebenta ng chicken. So, bumili ako ng isang chicken wing para sa akin, kinain ko na. Tapos meron dun sa gilid, binilihan namin si Miss ng 2 drumstick, isang rice, and then nakadaan din kami ng barbecue. So bumili din ako ng chicken barbecue or pork at saka chicken liver. And gusto kong balikan si kuya na nagbebenta ng chicken kasi gusto kong kumain ng chicken pa. Deep fried na chicken wings. 20 baht lang yung isa. Tapos yung pork barbecue 10 baht. At saka yung pork liver 10 baht. Nakalimutan ko na mag-vlog, guys. Nalasing na ako sa beer. Ang laki ng San Miguel beer. Laki ng San Miguel Light. Yan. Paubos na yung akin. Puno to kanina eh. Ito yung grilled squid ni Dan. Nakaharap talaga kami sa road, guys. Gusto namin nakatingin kami sa mga tao. Nag-order pa siya niyan. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Tas fried rice. And then I was eating my chicken liver. Na-miss ko to, guys. Parang Pilipinas lang talaga. Hindi ako nag-order from this restaurant. Yung kinakain ko is yung mga nabili ko sa street food. Kain, guys. Dako kayo ang beer nga gipalit ni Dan. Grabe sa Miss Dan, eh.
Did you sleep?
Why did I buy this one?
Did you sleep?
No, I'm arranging all my stuff.
You're packing?
Yeah, I'm packing. I'm starting to pack.
We got you food. We got you food. Chicken?
Ate, look at my
Chicken.
face.
Chicken? And we got you pork and liver. Oh, chicken liver. Pork and chicken liver. Good girl. No. That's my chicken. That's my chicken. This is your chicken. That's my chicken. Chicken wing? That's your chicken.
You already have a chicken.
I have the chicken. What?
You can share that with chicken.
No sharing, babe. Sharing is not caring. We have... Wait, babe, eat your ice cream right now. Oh my God.
There you go. That's Sissy, that's your beer.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Nag-stop kami, guys, sa 7-Eleven. Dan got ice cream. This one? Babe, eat it now.
That's yours.
Thank you very much. Another beer.
Okay, I got these of stuff.
Hala, hi. Kit Kat. Green tea.
Thank you.
That's mine. It's not for you. And then we got this one for the beer. With the beer, ano to? Pumpkin seeds. Tiwi mo na, tiwi. And this one is ang sabi ni pangalan ani ito?
That's Pakwan.
Pakwan. This one, pakwan seed. Yummers. And chicken. 10 baht. No, 20 baht. Why?
It's so heavy.
Babe, do you like these shoes? Have you? You haven't worn.
No,
you haven't worn these shoes.
I worn that one.
Babe, let's bring these shoes to Australia.
How about this?
Put it in.
Yeah. Go ahead, sorry.
What's that? Shoes again? Shoe haul. I think it will fit you.
This is yours
This
now.
one?
Yeah.
I don't like this. This is blue. I don't
That's
like it.
navy blue.
Okay.
And that's
Shoe
so nice.
haul.
That's H&M. I know.
Okay.
I know.
Anyway.
I don't have any more boots now.
What's the size of this one?
Wala ko boots.
35. Got it, but 36.
I'm 36. This is so...
That's mine. That's
Tight.
mine. Guys, i-close
Is it
na namin
the
yung
term
vlog.
tight?
I'm drunk, people.
Is it a term type?
No, it fits me. Hey, miss, drink your beer while it's cold. Cheers. Sige na, miss. Cheers
Oh
na.
my god, I don't have any more boots.
Cheers!
If I'm gonna give it to you, I don't have anyone.
Anong hatag na naman ako? Cheers.
Because it's so heavy.
Drink, oy. Kung ma-cheers kay ka mo, inom dyan ka. Dili kayo. Leo. This is a Thai beer, people.
Ew.
Pakwan. Pakwan ka. Kung beer ka, magpakwan ka. Guys, i-close ko na tong vlog, guys. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.
Wala na ako boots.
Ano hatag mo na kung wala na kay boots? I-keep na.
Bugat na
Hala, si Dan, mag-shower dyan si Dan. Maglunga ko na siya.
Wala
Babe! You're not allowed to take a shower. Yung ano, ang oil nga gigamit sa mo, aromatherapy. Dili normal oil. Okay, bye guys. Thank you. Be good. Bye. Mwah.